Hey everyone, I'm doing another drawing for the giveaway for Janie's hop that I did. My original winner that I pulled never contacted me, so I'm going to do it again. We start by taking, this is the video that I did. I created a whole bunch of different
this is the actual video that people commented on.
That's the video. It's me talking in the video. I was
copy this link.
Taking a that's the video of me pulling the winner. Okay, we don't want that video because that winner never came forward. What we want is the video of me doing the hop for Janie. So that's the Janie hop. That was the hop for Janie's 20,000 subscribers. Let me find it. Here it is. Congratulations, Janie, 20,000 subscribers. I made a whole bunch of background panels with deco foil duo gel, and then I foiled them. So I'm going to click share. I'm going to click copy. It says my link has been copied. I'm going down to this is my YouTube comment picker, and I'm going to reload it because I just picked a winner from another giveaway. Lots of videos that I'm filming right now for giveaways. Let's go ahead and paste that link. This is the hardest part, getting the stupid iPad to paste the link. Oh, no, the link is not H. That is not the link. Delete, 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 delete. That's my previous link. Okay, ready? That's the link. Okay, so we will say no duplicate comments. People only get one chance, and we'll get the YouTube comments. We'll see how many people commented. There were 86. Let me just make sure I have the right link. Just want to make sure. Copy link. Yep, that's the one. Paste. Yep. Get YouTube comments. There were 86 commenters. Then you slide over to this side of the page and it says start raffle and pick random winner. I will zoom in so you can see all of the names of all the winners flying by. Lots of people commented, but our winner is Gail Ari Tati. Hey Tracy, you sold me. We'll definitely start watching more of your videos. Looking forward to watching and subscribing to Janie's channel as well. Your card turned out beautiful. Thanks for sharing. Gone shopping for foil. Okay, Gail. Well, I'm super excited. And you're also going to get some foil from me. This is a roll of 25 feet of, it's a rose gold foil. It's called Pretty Penny. Reminds you of copper, so it's more of a copper look, I guess, than rose gold. It's from Creative Vision Stamp. This is high quality foil that you can use in your laminator or your ink machine, or if you don't have either one of those machines, you can use your duo gel. And you're also going to receive a pack of foilables. So what you do is you cut a piece of foil, put it over top, and then run this through your laminator or your Mink machine, and you will have some beautiful panels that are ready to be used for card backgrounds. So there's 8 of those. So I'm going to repost the winner. I hope that this time the winner comes forward. Gail, I hope that you come forward. You're my second drawing for this giveaway. Alright? Thanks everybody for watching, and keep on watching because there'll be more giveaways in the future. And congratulations again to Janie for your huge milestone. Alright everybody, take care and have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.